So in this section, we're going to talk about the trim command or the trim tool. So for the trim tool, we're going to have different objects. So we can draw circle, escape. We can have a circle over here. We can have maybe a triangle like that, and like that. So as you can see, we have different segments, we have different objects. So to use the trim command, you're just going to come over here, then hit enter. Please do not forget to hit enter after activating the trim command, because that is something you're likely to forget. So let's hit escape key. Let's activate the trim command again, then hit enter. So once you hit enter, when you hover around a particular boundary, you can see it trims up to the next available boundary. When you hover your mouse over here, you can see it trims that line up to the next boundary. When you do the same thing to the circle, it trims up to the next boundary. So we can hit escape. The shortcut key to trim command is TR. So hit TR anywhere in your drawing area, then click enter, then enter again. So when you hover around that line, it trims up to the next boundary. Same case to that one, same case to this one, and same case over here. You can use the trim command a lot when it comes to drawings. So that's how we use the trim command. See you on the next section.